says he did the same thing he has done to you too. I always say sex at the end, but I think he wanted to say Serwaa has a friend or why or no bonnet to send ya why will so bonny, but not the same bonnet. Yeah, that's what I think he meant. But like Catherine is saying, it's not. When she told them she was the woman organizer for Toronto, yeah, she told them that she was MPP.
Can't have any type of bad eye on her. So whatever Evelyn tells her to do, Sister G will do it because Sister G doesn't want to be in there.
Thank you, Catherine. Thank you. That's the clarification he should have given.
Even the internet.
Wow.
I saw it. I'm sure of it. I already know my social media is hacked. I know it. Sister G, she doesn't. How does this person come out of nowhere? And the story that I'm saying, unless you're an African, you'll say that it's a lie.
It's true. What do you mean it's a lie? It's true. What happened is true. It's not. You see, that's why I said you are not the only person this has happened to. That's why I'm saying that.
The light has come.
You are not the only person. Look, she used to have this friend called Catherine. Okay. She used to have
a friend called Catherine, and she did the same thing too. My patron, Uncle Felix, I know you meant she did the same thing. Said, "Oh, Adam for being so a friend Catherine or Dinu Bonissa, not like Odinu Bonissa or no so my Dinu no trial. Like she did something bad to her, even though it was her friend, and so they don't talk. I don't need to talk to Felix to clarify this. I know that this is what he wanted to say, but it sounded ambiguous. In Jawat saying, Brofun, you two live in Patois, now you damn English. I'm trying to put the thing to even put it on charge. It's not going. Coeasy.
This friend called Catherine, the same thing she did to you, she did that to her about 5 years ago.
The same thing of doing her bad.
She did that too. So this is not new. Most of it. Look, as we speak, she doesn't even talk to Sister G. She doesn't.
She doesn't talk to Sister G.
She has, listen to me, she has blackmail on Sister G.
Yeah.
She has it on her. And Sister G fall into the trap like me. And Sister G
fell into the trap.
She has the radio station. I was on the radio station with them. Because she has the radio station and because she is also
2 hours. Wow.
Because Sister G is poor, she cannot give up. She can't have any type of bad eye on her. So whatever Evelyn tells her to do, Sister G will do it because Sister G doesn't want to be embarrassed.
Yes.
Me, I myself, I already know that it's almost. They sent the video right away to my boyfriend. So if they sent it to my boyfriend, then I'm sure they would have put the video, posted it to the internet. It's posted on. I'm sure it's posted on Instagram. I'm sure it's posted. I'm sure of it. I already know my social media is hacked. I know it.
So the way this lady is saying that she knows for a fact that they have posted her thing at 2024, I think dump him all the way. Hey, me pacho, muntie. The way the lady is saying the thing here, no. Modia muntie me pamucho. Pa, you are letting me deviate too.
The people that know me very well, were you enjoying or were you faking? So, whatever blackmail that they thought was going to
harm you,
me, they took a long time to post it to the internet. I know it's posted to the internet now.
How did you?
You see, when Kevin Taylor says, when you people see the video on any sort of friend that I sent up in 2024 presidential candidate, I couldn't pray for Kennedy Japan. Nyaminton Siongu Makoma Swadi, so why? Now you move on. That's all I can say. So this lady, you see,
taken down. Have you seen it yourself or you haven't seen it?
When we see anything, it is because post it on Kevin Taylor, then they will say, we don't know how you got there if you see it on the internet. But the lady is saying here, it has been posted. So they are the same people who post whatever nonsense they say they claim they have on the president.
seen it myself.
Good.
But my Instagram has been acting weird.
And yes, 2 girls, two boys that. I'm very sure that they've been selling these sort of recordings to the porn sites. I am extremely sure. And now, Hobson Diane de Omuniano talking to maybe the president and saying national security wise in some government issues and all of that.
Asking me certain little questions. This is something that people won't come out and tell you straight to your face. I seen video of you having sex. They won't, and especially, I'm known as a person that at least tries to go to church, be decent human being. So nobody is going to come and say directly.
The lady says because she knows to say Adiana go out because who say towards her. She also knows that her Instagram and her email, every social media has been hacked. And so people have changed towards her, but nobody can come to her and be bold enough to say we've seen you having sex and blase. Irene Africanus say yes, that's why I love you. Your English flows effortlessly. Ambiguous is the word. Thank you. I am honored. Oh. You're Mopacho 1 worldwide. Betty Baby now will charge you. If you come and do your Asindom advert here, I will charge you 1. Papa no see you make it how much an hour. I only want 10% of what he's making an hour. If you talk about him, pay. No, it's
there's nobody is not gonna come and say that. But I feel the way people have changed around me. So it's even possible that what they did was they hacked my social media and they sent it out to all of my contacts.
Exactly. So have your contact like messaging you every time.
Right. So even if they did that, the people that will run away from me from this, they weren't meant to be in my life.
Exactly.
I'm not afraid of that. The people who will judge me for this, only God knows what they have done.
Nobody will judge
there's
you.
no way for me to be shamed or there's nothing for me to be blackmailed.
Yeah.
The way how I see it now, it's just that, and I believe that the reason why they have done what they've done is because she knew she was going to make this move against these men, so that if somebody like me comes to now talk, they will come and say, oh, you're a prostitute, oh, you're a part of it, blah, 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 blah. She's wicked, she's cunning, she's terrible. She's terrible. She's terrible, man.
Wow.
I'm trying to figure out, I don't even like social media. Do I make video for social media?
Yes. It's very necessary. It's very necessary. You know why?
I don't want to put my face on it.
You don't have to put your face. I'm going to show you how to do it. You don't have to put your face, okay?
Why did this happen to me?
Baby, don't cry. Don't cry. Do not cry. Don't cry.
Felix, why and then like a cabo, baby, don't cry. Felix.